Java installation. If you're encountering certificate errors, this is how you actually resolve the issue and continue installing Java. So first thing first is to download the latest version, which I've already done, which is 3.341. Right click, run it as administrator, or you can just run it as normal. When you click install, let it continue downloading the files. Let's just wait.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals.
You will be presented with a fault, an error message relating to the certificate. Okay, file is blocked because it's no longer have a valid digital signature that verifies its publisher. Okay, so what you need to do is if you click, then you're exiting out the setup, so you don't want to do that. What you want to do is click here where it says unknown publisher. Alright, when you get to this stage, you then select view certificate. Okay, and it's a very simple step. Okay, click install certificate here, current, next, and finish. Okay, what I also do is this. May not need to do this, but I do it. Install certificate again, local machine, next, and finish. Alright, that's okay, and okay. Now rerun the setup again. Install, let it do its download. And also ensure that your date and time is correct as well, because that can throw up issues. Similar issues. Okay, and we should be installing Java now. We'll wait for that to finish. We're ending this video. Shortly finish. You have it. Brilliant. So we have our Java installed successfully. So that's how you fix the issue, certificate related issue. Take care. Bye for now.